I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play BeamNG, Drive on your phone. While BeamNG, Drive is a powerful physics simulator primarily designed for desktop computers, you can still enjoy its realistic crashes and driving on your mobile device. The key involves leveraging cloud gaming technology, which streams the game directly to your smartphone. This method requires a stable and fast internet connection to ensure a smooth and responsive gameplay experience, bringing the full PC experience to your fingertips. To get started, you will need to subscribe to a cloud gaming service that supports BeamNG, Drive. Services like NVIDIA GeForce now allow you to stream your existing PC game library to almost any device, including your phone. Xbox Cloud Gaming is another option, though it primarily features games from the Xbox ecosystem. These platforms handle the heavy processing on their servers, sending only the video and audio to your phone while receiving your inputs. Once you have chosen a service, download its dedicated app from your phone's app store. For the best experience, pair a Bluetooth controller, such as an Xbox or PlayStation controller, with your phone. While touch controls might be available, a physical controller offers far greater precision for driving games. Also, make sure your phone is fully charged or connected to a power source, as streaming can consume significant battery life. For the smoothest gameplay, connect to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, as it generally offers lower latency than 2.4 GHz. Close any unnecessary background applications on your phone to free up processing power and memory. Within the game settings, you might need to lower graphics quality to achieve a more consistent frame rate, especially if your internet connection fluctuates. Finally, for longer sessions, a phone cooler can prevent overheating and maintain performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.